Our Welsh Harlequin ducklings are now about 3 weeks old, so they're too big now for the brooder box that we had them in indoors. So we have created a temporary run here in the back garden for them, and they've settled very well into it. And they'll be here for about 3 weeks. Then we'll move them over to the allotment where they can be with the adult ducks. Our Welsh Harlequin ducklings are growing quite rapidly now, and as you can see they are beginning to lose their golden downy colouring and feathers, and they're starting to grow their adult plumage, and we're expecting to move them over to the allotment within the next couple of days. The ducklings have grown quite a bit now, and it's time for them to be moved from the back garden over to the allotment. So the job I've got to do now is try and catch these little guys and get them into the carrying crates to get them over the road. So that was a bit easier than I expected. So first one. One down, 4 to go. We're here on the allotment now, and this is the polytunnel, netted polytunnel, where we keep the ducks at night, and this keeps the foxes off them, but through the day the ducks wander around the allotment so they can come and go as they please from here. But we've closed it off just for today to let the ducklings get used to it. We're going to let them out now, and tonight we'll obviously open it to let the adult ducks in. So you guys come out now. Come on. No, they're not going to come out. Right, I think we'll just leave them to come out at their own speed.